We'll guide you through how to back up all data on an Android before doing a factory reset. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you're planning on selling this device or you're running into some sort of problem, and so you want to go and do a factory reset, but you want to make sure you back up your data. We need to go and swipe up like so. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and find settings, and you need to go and tap on it to go and open it up. Now, there are different ways you can go about this. So make sure it's this full guide, and you can then go and decide. What we need to do is we need to go and scroll down, and we need to go and find the option for accounts and backup. And we can go and tap there. Then what you need to do is go and find Google Drive, and you need to go and find the option for backup data. So I'm on a Samsung, so I've got that option there. So you could use that as well, but to keep it broad, we're going to use Google Drive. Now, if you're struggling to go and find this backup page, you can always go back and you can use the search function in the top right, and you can go and search for backup. Then what we can do here is we can go and press turn on. What you can do is go and back up photos and videos, and also you can come to other device data, back up your contacts, call history, device settings, apps, app data, and more, as you can see. So we can go and switch that on, and we can then go and start backing it up. So once that's switched on, you can go and press back up now, and it'll go and start backing it up. I can enter in the PIN to confirm that, and I could switch on photos and videos as well. Alternatively, we can go and do an external storage transfer, because of course, with using Google, you only have so much free data and storage unless you go and purchase more. So you can always do an external storage transfer. So we can tap here and go and connect a storage device and back up to that. And then we can go and restore from it as well.